I'm very excited to announce the winners of our campaign from the last week. I am with COG. The campaign was exclusively for the students of Capture O Graphy, and they had to follow 3 simple steps. 1. To like and follow our Facebook page. 2. To subscribe our YouTube channel Capture O Graphy. And 3. To write a Google review about their experience with Capture O Graphy. Got overwhelming responses from our students, and the winners have been picked through lucky draw. Our winners are Samira Simha, you have won the low pro bag. Kich Kishore, you have won camera cleaning accessory. And Nanda Kishore, you have also won the camera cleaning accessory. I request you guys to contact us before 5th of Feb so that we can hand over your gifts, and others keep following us so that you could be the winner next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.